Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma. Let's make a change. Head out of the box, decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Cozy Corner or Vignette. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and myself, Design with Emma. Our co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and May's Design Corner. So come along with me as I show you my cozy corner or vignette. The theme is sweet tea. So what I've done here is set up a little tea set with the far going, and I'll let you go ahead and take a look at it, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. And the theme for today is sweet tea. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I have here on my table. As you can see, the wind is blowing and it's blowing my candles out. But here for my centerpiece, I have the magnolia leaves, and I picked this up at Goodwill in Williamsburg, Virginia. And it's just a swag that I thought was very beautiful. And what I've done, I've added the pumpkins to it and the candles. Also, the beautiful candlesticks you see here with the black and gold were also picked up at the Goodwill in Williamsburg, Virginia. I have went ahead and turned on my fireplace here. I picked that up at Big Lots a couple of years ago. And the theme is sweet tea. So what I have here is my little tea set. It also was from Goodwill. And on each side of it, I have my little teacup and the tea. And as I told you, the theme of this was sweet tea. So I decided to go ahead and set up a little tea party out here. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more for inviting me to host with her on Cozy Corner or Vignette. I will be leaving her information and all of the creators who are participating today
in Cozy Corner or Vignette in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out all their Cozy Corner or vignettes. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Cozy Corner or vignette because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So, again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family because we would love to have you. And this is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.